All right, so let's check out. This is a 1982 magazine, Hot VW's magazine. Let's look at some of these old ads in the classified section, shall we? How about this? What do we got? Oh, this is how much it costs for an ad. And then we move down and look what there is there. Split window bus. Where's the zeros? 61 Westphalia camper van. Wow. Wow. That is a subhatch Westie, guys. Subhatch bus. And look at the price. Rebuilt 1600. It's in Washington. He wanted $1,900. Please don't call them. This is not recent. This is very old. Okay. 1977 Puma. What the hell is that? I don't know, but they were selling it. So the next one is picture ad. $1,900 for a split window, man, for Westphalia. Wow. Can't get past that one. What is that? Oh, Type 34? Whoa. Oh, wow, look at that. $4,500. Over $6,500 invested. Well, $4,500 was a pretty penny to pay back in that day. Back in that day, you could buy a really nice, perfectly nice bug for like really cherry for like $2,000. Really nice. What's that? Oh, who cares? Anything else for sale? Doesn't look like it. Oh, here we go. How about down here? Well, with no picture. Kit cars wanted. Okay. Some guy was buying kit cars. Who cares? Kit cars for sale. Of course, the same guy bumps the price up and he sells them. Nice. They had car flippers back then. Okay, so what was this? 57. Wow, let's see if I can get a close up of that. 57 oval window bug. What? Show autocross trophies. In other words, he was full show. They didn't put like a lot of words in there because they paid by the word. So, but you had to tell him that it gets 35 plus MPG road car. Almost sounds like it was in Europe or something. The way it's worded. Wow. South Dakota? Is that what that is? South Dakota? SD? I think so. So what's this one here? Funko. Oh yeah, another Type 34 is up there. Type 34. Wasn't really a Gia guy, so I never owned one. Huh. We will tell you 6,000 with the engine, or 5,000 with the engine, 4,000 without the engine. Wow. I was taking it for $4,000. Well, wait, that wasn't this. Oh, Funko. That was oh yeah, Funko buggy. Sorry, I was looking down here. But this one is right here. That makes more sense. 66 Gia, Type 3. Just brought over from Japan. Collector's item, 5,500. Those weren't very common even back then. You rarely ever saw those at the show. Probably see more of them now. Volkswagen belt buckle. Huh. You could buy them from this guy. $750. Oh yeah, VW Club of America. They were always somewhere. That looks like it's it for the classifieds. I think that's it. Anyway, that's it for the classifieds. Talk to you guys in the next video. We will like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you go to Hot VWs and join their channel. The link is somewhere in this video. Talk to you later.